Today we'll look at how to bulk download your images in Midjourney. I'm logged into the Midjourney website here. If you haven't used the Midjourney website yet, I highly recommend it over the Discord server. There are many more features on it that will improve your workflow. So the key feature we want is this organize page here. So I'll click this, organize. And we're brought to this page with lots of options on it. As the name implies, there's lots of ways you can organize your images, but we're just concerned about how you can download them today. The first thing you'll want to do is select your images to download. There are multiple ways you can select your images. If you hover over the date, you can say select all, and that will select all the images for that date. I'll undo that. You can also shift click on the images you want to download. So I'll press shift and I'll click. Let's cancel that. And you can also drag from the sides to select multiple images. So I'll click over here and I'll drag, and I can go down. So I've selected a lot of images here. If I hold shift and I click and drag again, it unselects some of those images. Let's clear everything. Let me just select some of my images from today. So I'll click and I'll drag. Let's go down. And I've selected about 60 images. You can see it says 64 down here. And now I'll click download. And it'll do some processing. Now when it's done, it'll give you this pop-up window here. And what it's going to do is it's going to let you download in batches of 50. Your browser may ask for permission to do multiple downloads. So I'll download this one here, 0 to 50 you can see. Click save. And once it's finished downloading, you can download the next batch. So this one is 50 to 64. So I'll click save. And we've downloaded the second one. So that's how you can batch download in Midjourney. Now just be careful about selecting too many files at once. It can take a long time to process. Now if you're new to Midjourney and want a crash course on how to use it, be sure to check out my Midjourney for Beginners video. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.